Black Friday hits. Your website gets 10 times traffic overnight. On-prem servers crash. Customers leave. Revenue gone. But in AWS, the site stays up, scales automatically, and you only pay for what you actually use. These 5 concepts, high availability, scalability, elasticity, agility, and pay-as-you-go pricing, are literally 15 to 20% of the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 exam. I'll give you crystal clear definitions, AWS examples, and exact exam tips so you walk into the test confident. Let's go. 1. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying servers upfront, Capex, you pay only for the compute, storage, or bandwidth you actually consume, second by second. AWS examples: EC2, on-demand instances, Lambda pay per request, plus duration. S3 storage, pay per GB stored. Exam tip. This is the #1 advantage of cloud versus on-premises. The question almost always contrasts Capex versus Opex. Remember, AWS replaces big upfront capital expense with variable operating expense. 2. Agility. Agility means you can experiment and innovate extremely fast. Provision resources in minutes instead of weeks or months. Test new ideas with zero hardware delay. AWS examples: launch an EC2 instance or entire VPC in under 60 seconds. Use CloudFormation or CDK to spin up whole environments with one click. Exam tip: agility equals speed of innovation. Look for keywords like quickly provision, experiment, reduce time to market. This is listed directly in the CLF-C02 exam guide under Benefits of the AWS Cloud. 3. Scalability. Scalability equals ability to handle growth in workload. 2 types you must know. Vertical scalability. Scale up. Make one resource bigger. Change T3.micro, T3.large. Horizontal scalability. Scale out. Add more resources. Add 10 more EC2 instances. AWS examples: auto-scaling groups, horizontal RDS, read replicas, or larger instance classes. Vertical. Exam tip: scalability is about handling steady or planned growth. It does not have to be automatic. Write this down. Examiners love asking the difference between scalability and elasticity. 4. Elasticity. Elasticity takes scalability to the next level. It's automatic and dynamic. The system automatically scales resources up when demand rises and down when demand drops. You never over-provision or pay for idle capacity. AWS examples: EC2 auto-scaling groups, plus elastic load balancing, DynamoDB auto-scaling, Aurora, serverless, or Lambda. Concurrency. Exam tip: elasticity equals automatic scaling in both directions. Most common exam question: which feature provides elasticity? Auto-scaling. Remember, elasticity supports high availability and cost optimization. 5. High availability. High availability HA means your application stays accessible even when something fails. AWS achieves this by spreading resources across multiple availability zones, AZs, inside a region. AZ are physically separate using ADCs are physically separate data centers with independent power and networking. AWS examples: multi-ASD, RDS automatic failover, EC2 instances behind Elastic Load Balancer across 2+ ADS SES. 319's durability. Exam tip: 99.999% uptime target is common. High availability is part of the reliability pillar of the well-architected framework. Question. Trigger words: minimal downtime, fault tolerance, redundancy. Summary plus exam strategy. Quick recap. Pay-as-you-go consumption-based pricing. Agility, innovate fast. Scalability, handle growth. Vertical plus horizontal. Elasticity, automatic scaling up and down. High availability, stays up when things fail. Multi-AZ. These 5 concepts appear together in piece. Almost every practice question on Cloud Concepts domain. Master the differences. and you're golden.
If this video helped you understand these concepts, smash that like button right now. It really helps the channel.
Comment below, which of these 5 concepts was the trickiest for you? I reply to every comment. Subscribe and hit the bell in the description. See you in the next one. Stay cloud native.